When it comes to repairing outdoor wood, not just any filler will do. Exposure to sun, rain, humidity, and temperature swings demands a tough, flexible, and weather-resistant solution. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 wood fillers available on Amazon that are specifically built for exterior use. Starting with the Bondo wood filler, this is one of the most trusted names in heavy-duty repair. Originally known for its use in automotive bodywork, Bondo's 2-part formula is now a go-to for carpenters and DIYers handling structural wood repairs outdoors. Once mixed, it cures rapidly, often within 15 minutes, and becomes sandable and paintable soon after. Unlike water-based fillers, Bondo doesn't shrink or crack over time. It bonds extremely well to wood and even to bare or treated timber, making it suitable for rebuilding windowsills, corners of door frames, and even large gouges in siding. The final finish is smooth and can be drilled or screwed into, just like real wood. The only drawback is the mixing process and the relatively short working time, but for those looking for speed and structural strength, Bondo stands out as a professional-grade solution. Next, we have the Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler, a more user-friendly water-based option that's better suited for smaller repairs. Gorilla's filler is pre-mixed, making it easier to apply with a putty knife, and it dries fairly quickly. It sands to a smooth finish and accepts paint or stain well. This filler is ideal for minor surface defects. Think cracks, nail holes, or weathered areas on fences or sheds. However, while it performs well in moderate outdoor conditions, some users report durability concerns under extreme weather. That said, for quick fixes and non-structural repairs, Gorilla's wood filler is a convenient and budget-friendly choice that's easy to find and easy to use. Third on our list is the Toupret Exterior Wood Filler, a high-performance powder filler that's popular among professional decorators and contractors in Europe, and increasingly favored by DIYers in the US. This product requires mixing with water, but once applied, it offers impressive adhesion, flexibility, and long-lasting weather resistance. It's perfect for exterior timber trims, soffits, fascia boards, and window frames. Unlike many fillers that crumble or crack over time, Toupret maintains its shape and finish even after repeated weather exposure. It sands easily, takes paint beautifully, and can be shaped during application for custom repairs. If you're working on exterior wood with aesthetic or finishing importance, Toupret offers a clean, professional-grade result that's hard to beat. Coming in fourth is the HB42 Ultimate Wood Filler, a styrene-free, resin-based 2-part filler that delivers the same level of strength as epoxy systems. It sets rock hard in about 30 minutes and remains fully weatherproof. The formulation allows for slight expansion and contraction with wood, reducing the risk of cracking. Professionals use HB42 for fascia boards, doors, and large exterior trims because of its strong bond and consistent finish. It's also highly sandable and can be painted over with most exterior paints. One of the advantages it offers over Bondo is the lower odor and easier sanding characteristics, making it a favorite for those doing frequent or large-scale repairs outdoors. Finally, although not always available on Amazon, the Abatron WoodEpox deserves a mention for those looking for the absolute best in long-term structural restoration. This epoxy-based solution is a professional-grade system used in historic preservation and deep wood rot restoration. It's more expensive and requires more prep, often in combination with a liquid wood hardener, but once applied, it permanently repairs wood damage and becomes as strong or stronger than the surrounding material. It's ideal for window casings, columns, porch steps, and any area exposed to significant moisture or decay. While it's not a casual fix-and-go product, for those doing serious restoration, WoodEpox is in a class of its own. Thanks for watching. For more home repair product reviews and DIY recommendations, subscribe and stay tuned. We help you fix smarter, not harder.